Welcome to Endurance Engineering Academy. See, this video I'm going to talk about how to utilize the online video course properly. See, utilizing online video course in the sense, already everyone, almost everyone, those who are subscribed in this YouTube channel, they already know that Endurance Engineering Academy is offering online video courses. Okay, so online video lectures for engineering, mathematics, and other subjects related to civil and mechanical. Okay, so majorly like the subjects which is common to civil and mechanical, and then completely like it's going to be mechanical subjects. Okay, so engineering mathematics videos is common for all the department. So that has been launched by Endurance Engineering Academy. The official website and the contact details, everything has been uploaded in the everything has been updated in the description box. Okay, right. Now, if you are going to register this video course, what are all the things you need to do? Okay, so that is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Right, it's very simple and straightforward video. Okay, so I will try to complete it as soon as possible. See, first point, what is the first step you need to do? Okay, so it's pretty much straightforward thing. So it is not only for Endurance Engineering Academies. If you are registering for Endurance Engineering Academy, I'm not saying that it is only for you who are going to follow this. Even if you register for any other online video lectures, not at all an issue. Even if you registered for any other online lectures, or if you are a registered student of Endurance Engineering Academy, then this should be the proper strategy or the proper procedure which you need to do. Okay, first thing is very straightforward. Watch the online lectures completely. See, generally in Endurance Engineering Academy, the lectures will be splitted into some small part. For example, if you are taking matrices, okay, so that matrices, that is that linear algebra, will be splitted into some small 10 minutes 15 minutes video as like some 35 to 45 videos. Okay, like each video will be around 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And why we are not uploading the video completely as 1 hour and 2 hour? If it is necessary, the complete matrices can be completed in 5 hours or 4 hours. A complete video can be done. But why I'm not doing it? Why we are not doing it? The reason is, once if you complete a small video, okay, once if you complete some 15 minutes video or 10 minutes video, you will get some confidence, you will get some positive energy. Okay, so I completed this, I need to proceed for next. So some positive like spark will be there, which will tend you to move forward. Okay, but if suppose if I'm uploading a complete matrices video in a single stretch, is that is not going to give you, what I can say, that's not going to give you enough motivation to watch the video, because it is not a classroom coaching, right? So classroom coaching is completely different from online education. If it is online education, the first thing which required is your complete focus. So that the focus cannot be obtained if I am going to upload the video in a stretch like 5 hours or 6 hours video. So that is not we are doing. Okay, so in Endurance Engineering Academy, we are uploading the videos as 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So it will be very easy for you to go through the video. Just if you sit and if you watch it 10 minutes, you can complete one video. Then you will get some confidence, you will get some momentum, you will proceed for next video. Once if you finish next video, again you will get some confidence, you can proceed for next video. So this is what our plan is. That is why we are splitting the videos into some bits and pieces. We are not going to combine everything and place it in a single video. If we do that, that is not going to be advantageous for us. Okay, so for us, and it's not going to be advantageous for you also. Okay, so there is a scientifically proven reason for this. If you are going for a classroom, you can sit even for 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours also. But online, you cannot do that. Sitting for 1 hour is difficult. So that is the reason why we split it into different parts, so that you will get some momentum and you will move forward. Okay, so first point, watch the lectures properly without taking any notes. Don't take any notes at the starting stage. So if you are watching one video, watch that video. Okay, watch that video completely, observe everything. After that, rewatch it, take notes. Okay, so that is the second thing. If you are watching one video, watch it fully, then re-watch it and pass it in between and take notes. In between you can pass and you can take notes. When you are re-watching, you can what I can say, you can increase your video speed also. That option is also there. Okay, like the video player which we are using is almost similar to that of YouTube. So you can increase the speed also. You can increase the speed and you can re-watch it and you can take notes. So this is very important. Okay, watching only not important. So taking notes also important. Once after watching, you need to take notes. Okay, so that is second. So overall, you need to watch the video first properly, then re-watch it and take notes. This you can do it at your own pace. Okay, you can increase your speed also. Third, once after doing this too, this has to be done for each and every chapter. You need to do this for one complete chapter. In between itself, we will be solving a good number of problems. Like solved problems will be there. You need to solve that. You need to note down the problem. You need to try to solve the problem again. Problems which is solved in the video, you need to try to solve it again also. Okay. Once after doing this, rewatch it, take videos, solve the solved problems. Okay. Next, fourth step is solve previous year problem. Okay, so in between, actually after solving previous year problem, you need to take short notes. Okay, regarding short notes, I discussed about it already. Okay, so I made a video separately for that. You can see that. Okay, now solve the previous year problem. Once after solving previous year problem, you will be getting some small doubts. If you have doubts, we have not only when you are solving previous year problem, even when you are watching lectures also, if you have doubt, we have separate WhatsApp group. Okay, specifically only for registered student. Okay, if you are registering in any course, engineering mathematics course or fluid mechanics course, only for engineering mathematics course we have a separate WhatsApp group, and you will be added into that WhatsApp group after registering, and I will be there. Okay, I will be the one of the admin there. So your questions answer will be cleared by myself. Okay, so I will be answering your questions, like I will be solving your doubts. Okay, so those already registered, the students who are registered are already been added in the WhatsApp group, so you can post your doubts there. Okay, right. So even if when you are watching the problems or when you are doing the previous year problem. Okay, but when you are watching the lecture, if you are having any doubts, try to take a screenshot and post it, okay, in the WhatsApp group, because that will make us more convenient for understanding the doubt and then answering, right? And similarly for previous year problem also, if you are having doubt, take a photo and then mention what is your doubt. Okay, and also don't post the problem directly. Okay, that is not going to give you anything. If you are going to post any doubts in WhatsApp group, so that is why specifically we are going into WhatsApp group, because that will be more convenient for us chat, so that we can clearly answer all your queries. Okay, what I'm saying was, you don't post the problem completely, post the question and then also what you tried. Okay, like if you solved like 50% of the problem, post that 50% of the problem. Once if you post that 50% of the problem, like what I will do, I will intimate you where is the mistake. I will say where is the mistake and then I will get back to you. Okay, so I will say this is the mistake, try to solve it. If you still not able to solve, then I will be posting you the solution. Okay, what is the real advantage of this? Because by doing this, you will get to identify what is the mistake. Okay, just posting the question and I am solving and I am sending you, it's not all going to improve you. But posting the question with what I can say, with some part of solution which you did. Okay, for example, you did some 60%, 70% of the solution, but you stuck in between. Then I will say, okay, this is the mistake, correct it. If you correct it, you will learn it. Okay, if you are not going to correct it, then there is no use. If you are just going to post the previous year problem and I am going to solve it and I am going to send to you, then it is useful for me. In fact, it's not at all going to be useful for you. I am going to solve the problem again and again, because already the previous year problem is I I did it many times, so there is no necessity for me to solve. Okay, so if you are posting any problems, post with the solution until you did. So I will help you, I will give you the clue. Once if you know the clue, you try to proceed it. Still you are not getting, not all an issue. Okay, not all an issue. Again say that sir, I am not getting the answer, I will be posting the solution. So okay, that is not at all an issue. Giving you the answer directly, it's not all an issue, but learning is very important, right? So what you are going to learn, it's very important. Once after solving the previous problem, fifth one, practice quizzes. Okay, in each chapter, after each chapter, there will be quizzes. Okay, there will be practice quizzes. You can take that quiz. You can try to answer that quiz. So once after trying to answer it, if you are not able to, what I can say, if you are not able to answer it properly, or if you are having any doubts, take a photo, again post it in WhatsApp group, we will discuss. Okay, healthy discussions, which means your doubts are not going to be like, your doubts are not going to stay with you. We are going to clear the doubts. Okay, so that is why we specifically have a WhatsApp group. Okay, right. So two disadvantages of online education. One is, as I said, watching lecture continuously for 8 hours, 10 hours. So that is not possible. To overcome this, we splitted the lectures. Two, clearing the doubts. So for overcoming that, we have WhatsApp group. As individual attention will be there. If you are having a doubt, if you are posting within 24 hours, actually the 24 hours is actually very big. Mostly within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Most of the time within 10 minutes, 15 minutes I will be answering. Or someone like admins. Okay, so we have a content developers. So the content developers may answer you. Okay, right. So practice quizzes. Once if you practice quizzes also done, then like for example you are going through some 4-5 chapters. Once if you finish 4-5 chapters, you need to go for online test corresponding to that chapters. Okay, so presently Endurance Engineering Academy is not having any online test, but soon we will be launching. But anyways, already there are very good number of online tests, right? So already there are many good number of online tests. So the names already you know everything, right? So I'm not going to specifically mention what you need to register, what not to register, that you already know which one is good, which one is not good, everything. So there are many online tests which is available in the market. You can just go and you can buy one and you can use it. Okay, so this online test is also very essential. Okay, but soon in Endurance Engineering Academy also we will be launching an online test, but that online test will be only for mechanical. Okay, so it is not going to be for all other departments, only for mechanical, right? Next, so that online test, once after doing this practice quizzes and online test, you will be getting many doubts, you will be getting many small concept, new concepts. Okay, so learn through questions. You will be learning something by solving questions. Once if you learn something by solving questions, you update it in the short notes. Okay, you update it in the short notes. So you need to update the short notes continuously. Okay, so about the short notes also I separately made a video. Okay, so why short notes, what we need to do, all those things are there separately, you just go through that video. Okay, so practice quizzes, online test, update it. Okay, so this is how effectively you need to use the video lectures. Just buying the video lectures, watching it randomly is no use. I'm saying it very clearly. Okay, and what I can say, in Endurance Engineering Academy, the affordability of online video lecture is very like we are much affordable. As you know that it's very less compared to all other leading institutes. The affordability, the cost wise, our institute is offering at a very affordable price. At the same time, the quality wise, we are not going to compromise the quality, that is for sure, as you already know that. Okay, so you might have seen the demo videos which has been uploaded in YouTube. So we are not going to sacrifice the quality, but at the same time we are not going to increase the cost also. We are going to keep it like what I can say, just above the break even. It's not going to be below the break even, because if it is going to be below the break even, it is not at all useful. So just above the break even, we are not going to keep the profit 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Why I am keeping just above the break even? Because there are enormous amount of reasons. Okay, like for example, the effort which we are putting. Okay, so that is one of the biggest thing which you need to know, the time which I am investing in this. Okay, and the portal, for portal I need to pay, we need to pay uh, some monthly, I could say something like it is like a rent, okay, monthly rent for the portal, for the website develop, for website management. So all those things are there, okay. So so this is what I was supposed to say. That is why I specifically made the video, because I seen many students are registering the video but not utilizing the video properly. Okay, so that is not what our aim is. Okay, so our aim is to create an environment where education should be affordable. At the same time, it should be very quality. Okay, the quality of education should increase. At the same time, it should be more affordable. Okay, so here, if you are planning for registering, okay, so you need to know some advantage, right? So those who are not registered, you need to know some advantage of that. See, in our course, the validity of the course is 1 year. If you are registering today, next year until this date, you can use it. 2, videos will be uploaded like online video lectures only. So you need to know you need to have proper internet connection for playing it. 3, doubt solving. Every doubts will be cleared. Okay, within a day. That is our promise. Within a day, we can clear all your doubts. And 4, supports other than the, what I can say, other than the course which you are registered for. If you are having any confusion with preparation, if you want to do something, what I want to do, all those confusions we can clear. As I said, the course validity is 1 year, but if you are a second year student, but if you want a course for 2 years, then you can message us. Okay, our WhatsApp number was there. You can just text us in, like you can send a message in WhatsApp, or else you can call us, whatever, it's up to you. If you want to register for 2 years, you can call us, we will make an arrangement for that. Okay, so that's it from my side. Okay, so I hope that it's all goes well for you.